Batumi is a city located on the Black Sea coast in southwestern Georgia. It is known for its unique architecture, vibrant atmosphere, and tourist attractions, but it's not particularly renowned for its beaches. However, there are some coastal areas and waterfront spaces where visitors can enjoy the sea. The Batumi Boulevard, stretching along the coast, is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. It features walking paths, gardens, and recreational areas, providing a pleasant environment for enjoying the sea views. While the coastline may not have traditional sandy beaches like some other seaside destinations, there are areas where people can access the water. Europe Square is one of the central squares in Batumi, Georgia. Batumi is known for its vibrant cityscape, and Europe Square is a notable location within the city. The square is named Europe Square as a symbol of Georgia's connection and aspirations towards European integration. Europe Square features various architectural styles and landmarks, including the Medea statue, which is a prominent feature in the square. The Medea statue depicts the mythical Colchian princess from Greek mythology and has become a symbol of Batumi. Surrounding Europe Square, you'll find cafes, restaurants, and buildings that showcase a blend of modern and traditional architectural elements. The square is often a hub of activity, and events and festivals may take place. Dancing fountains in Batumi are a popular attraction located in the Batumi Boulevard area. These fountains are known for their dynamic water displays that are synchronized with music and lights, creating a visually stunning and entertaining spectacle. The fountains are often a focal point for both locals and tourists, providing an enjoyable experience for visitors of all ages. The fountains are synchronized with the music, and the water jets move and dance in harmony with the rhythm and beats of the music. The fountains are often accompanied by colorful lighting effects, enhancing the visual appeal of the water display, especially during the evening. The fountain shows typically feature a variety of music genres, ranging from classical to contemporary, providing a diverse and engaging experience. The fountains are located in an open-air setting, allowing people to gather around and enjoy the shows in the pleasant atmosphere of Batumi Boulevard. Depending on the season and local schedules, the dancing fountains may have regular performances, with specific times when visitors can witness the fountain shows. Piazza Square is another notable square in Batumi, Georgia. Piazza Square is part of the Piazza Batumi complex, which includes a boutique hotel, restaurants, and shops. The Piazza Batumi complex is known for its distinctive Italian architecture, designed to resemble a small Italian town square. Piazza Square features cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and outdoor seating areas where visitors can enjoy the ambience of the square. The complex often hosts live performances, events, and festivals, contributing to its lively atmosphere. It has become a popular destination for both locals and tourists looking for a unique and charming experience. Since circumstances can change, it's advisable to check for the latest information or updates if you plan to visit Piazza Square in Batumi. Theater Square is another significant square in Batumi, Georgia. It is located in the city center and is named after the Batumi Drama Theater, which is situated on the square. The theater is a historic and cultural landmark in the city. Theater Square is known for its lively atmosphere and is a gathering place for both locals and tourists. The square features green spaces and pedestrian zones, and often hosts various events, performances, and festivals. The Batumi Drama Theater itself is an architectural gem and a focal point of cultural activities in the city. Batumi Seaport. The Batumi Seaport is a crucial transportation hub located in the city of Batumi, Georgia. Batumi is a major port city on the Black Sea, and its seaport plays a vital role in facilitating maritime trade and transportation. The Batumi Seaport is strategically positioned, serving as a gateway for the export and import of goods, both regionally and internationally. It accommodates various types of vessels, including cargo ships and cruise liners. The port's infrastructure is designed to handle the loading and unloading of cargo, storage, and other related activities. The seaport area often contributes to the city's economic activities, and visitors might find it interesting to observe the maritime operations and the coming and going of ships. Additionally, the port area may have amenities and services for tourists, such as restaurants, shops, and viewing areas. Argo Cable Car in Batumi is a notable attraction that provides panoramic views of the city and the Black Sea. The cable car is named after the mythical ship Argo from Greek mythology. It's a popular way for tourists and locals to enjoy breathtaking views of Batumi and its surroundings. The cable car offers a scenic ride that takes passengers from the lower part of Batumi to Anuria Mountain, providing stunning views of the city, the coastline, and the Black Sea. At the upper station, there are observation decks where visitors can take in the panoramic views, capture photos, and enjoy the scenery. The cable car route may pass by or offer views of key landmarks in Batumi, enhancing the overall experience. The cable car provides a convenient and enjoyable way to travel between different parts of Batumi while enjoying the picturesque landscape. Batumi Central Market is a bustling marketplace in the city of Batumi, Georgia. The Central Market is typically a vibrant place where locals and visitors can explore and purchase a variety of goods, including fresh produce, spices, local delicacies, souvenirs, and more. The market often offers a diverse array of fresh fruits, vegetables, and other local produce. It's a great place to experience the flavors of the region. Visitors can find various local products, including handmade crafts, traditional Georgian sweets, spices, and other items that represent the local culture. The market is known for its lively and bustling atmosphere, providing a glimpse into everyday life in Batumi. The market is a good place to shop for souvenirs, such as traditional Georgian crafts, clothing, and other items. Holy Trinity Church in Batumi is a prominent religious and cultural landmark. The Holy Trinity Church, also known as SUBSCRIBE Church, is a relatively new addition to Batumi's architectural landscape, completed in 2008. Modern architecture. The Holy Trinity Church is known for its modern architectural design, which contrasts with many older churches in the region. It features a distinctive style and stands out in the cityscape. Location. The church is situated on Holy Trinity Square, near the Batumi Technological University, making it accessible for both locals and tourists. Religious significance. As a church, the Holy Trinity Church serves as a place of worship for the Georgian Orthodox Christian community. It also holds cultural and historical significance. Interior decor. Visitors to the Holy Trinity Church may appreciate the interior decor, including religious iconography and artwork. The church provides a serene atmosphere for prayer and contemplation. Fish Market Batumi. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Batumi, being a coastal city, is likely to have a fish market where locals and visitors can purchase fresh seafood. The fish market could offer a variety of seafood products, including fish, shellfish, and other maritime delicacies. Fish markets are often interesting places to explore for those who enjoy seafood and want to experience the local culinary offerings. You may find a range of fish caught from the Black Sea, providing a taste of the region's maritime flavors. To find the specific location and details of the fish market in Batumi, it's recommended to check with local residents, hotels, or online travel resources for the most up-to-date information. Local markets can sometimes change locations or have varying operating hours, so getting recent information will help you plan your visit accordingly. The